1969 Ford F600. So I am doing the body work on this. I'm not going to get any new pieces, and this is kind of just a before and after. I've been painting other pieces, and I just want to see how good I can get. I'll try and get that out. I've had some luck with getting this pulled back, but I couldn't get this part here because I've been painting, you know, these two pieces here. This is for the cross member of the 1970 Buick, and this does go to the grain truck, and I painted it with it down and up. And just for kicks, I thought, well, let's paint this door and this and see kind of how it's gonna look when it's done. So it'll put the shine back on the paint, which is good. I really like that black a lot. So I got a lot to go with this fender. I'm gonna try and do it without taking the tire off. I already tried 2 impacts on it. One's rated at 300 pounds, and they did not budge one of those lug nuts. And I've been hitting it, you know, with PV Blaster already twice. So, but I want to get this. I can reach in here pretty good, you know, like this, but you can't really get a swing at it. And I have body tools, but that's just when you get it really close, so you can really make it perfect. And for taking off the lug nuts, I got that. I checked it, it fits. I worked the oil field, that's what I come up with that idea. That's what we use for breaking things on the oil field, breaking them loose. I don't believe I've ever used them to tighten things, but I think I have on BOPs. There we go, Ford 600. Anyway, I noticed a lot of people seem to get more interest actually in this old truck than they do the old Buick, so I thought I'd shoot another one for you to let you see how things are going. That's the cross piece for that, and this is another piece off the back. It's turning out pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm going to take these off or leave them on to paint. It works pretty well bringing them down there and working on them. Makes a slower process, but I don't have a lot of room right here, although I have enough. I got sandpaper and I got a wire wheel. Try and get the rust, and of course scrapers. Pretty cold today, but with my shop heaters, even though this is a non-insulated building, you can probably hear the wind. I got almost 60 degrees here. So my paints you need 50-degree temperature for the paint, which I do. But painting the whole truck is gonna take something. I haven't got any blue paint yet, but I imagine I will here pretty soon. Go get some. I might as well just keep on using the Rust-Oleum farm implement paint. We're on the farm, just let it roll. Seems to turn out pretty decent anyway, even though I'm just brushing it on. The only nice part is that I don't have to mask off so much stuff when you do it this way, as if I was using my gravity feed spray guns. So I guess that's about it for now. I'm just doing an update, and I'm gonna continue painting. In fact, that's what made me think of it, because that part there, I'm gonna paint all that black. It'll match that all the way back. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.